How are you? Good evening.
Yeah, first of all, good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Good evening. I am absolutely fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great and fantastic in my life.
Okay, so we are meeting first time. So could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Why not? Okay, so firstly, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ajay Kumar. I am from Nepal. I am 22 years old and talking about my qualification, I have done 10th and my hobbies are reading books, watching Hindi movies, and sometimes singing a song. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you for
Okay.
asking.
So you are 10th passed. You are a student, yeah, right?
Actually, I was a student, but nowadays I'm not a student. I'm working person.
Okay. So in which field you are working?
I work in a plastic
Just
company.
1 minute, there is a call. Random.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. Your voice is not coming properly. Your voice is not coming.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, I also got number, and there are YouTuber who
Oh,
are asking about me that when you are free because nowadays I'm taking session.
okay,
So we
okay.
are free.
Okay, so now start again. As you know that my name is Monica and I am a YouTuber also and teacher by profession and I am an English teacher as I am working right now in presently in my own coaching center as a private coaching center of offline, that is offline. And
Offline.
I am conducting only Sunday. This is the free of Sunday is the free. So I thought that why not we should have conduct session, and this is
Yeah.
the time uh, which is very like na very. I want to utilize my every time and free time also. So this is the yeah this is my actually third session on third session on Sundays. Actually, I will be free on Sundays, so I would like to conduct most of the sessions on Sundays, and
Sunday. Yeah.
rest of the days my busy days and working days, you know. So yeah,
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
I
I can,
just yeah, and I
I
am
can,
teaching. I have been teaching since last 10 years. So this is my experience. Offline teaching is a very interactive teaching according to me. And the students interact to teachers, to each other, and they solve their problems and they ask any questions without any hesitation. This is the motto
good
of
thing.
my education, that critical thinking and free education, like free minded education. No, there is no restriction, there should not be
Yeah.
any kind of restriction by the side of the students. They are free for learning. So this is my motto always, and I'm working on this also. And that's all about me. And there, it's been 10. It's been like 8 month, 8 month completed to open my YouTube channel, to start my YouTube channel, and I'm satisfied with my performance on my channel. And I hope it will, it will good and it will working smoothly and gradually. Yes. Thank you so
Right,
much.
right. Yeah. Yeah, I'm very happy after listening about you that you have started your YouTube channel and nowadays you are teaching the children and students also. Yeah, so actually you are a teacher of English spoken or something
Yes,
like
yes,
that.
yes. I'm academic teacher also and spoken teacher, but on my offline classes, I teach academic classes like 6
Mm,
to 12th classes, academic classes most of the time. And
right.
in holidays and those aspirant who are lack in English language or who wants to improve their English, they can
Mm,
contact me with the course of spoken.
right, right. Yeah.
Interested students, they can attend my live classes or one-to-one classes. This
Okay, so
it
may I know
depends on the student. Yeah, it depends
how
on the
many
learners
students?
also, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking is not actually not regular classes, we can say, because those
Mm,
who needs to speaking and improve their English and they wants to learn and they wants to fluent in speaking, so they can join my course. Otherwise, academic
right.
classes is going on.
Yes, right, right. Okay. So like how many students do you teach?
Actually, in my coaching, there are recently because the summer vacation is going on right now, so less students
Mm,
are there, like one or two or four students only of every classes. But on
mm,
July onwards, there are so much is though so many students are there. Will be like
mm.
15 or 20 students in a class. Will be in.
Oh,
Hmm.
okay,
Because
that's
now in
great.
summer
So,
vacations, children usually go to their villages or their maternal uncles' houses. So that's why there are less number of students are there.
okay. Okay, so how many fees are you getting from those students?
Actually, amount is depends on the class. Amount is depend on the
Mm,
standard. If suppose there is a six and seventh class, so there are actually 1500 of all subjects, and standard is a 10th or 12th, so 2000 and 2020 2200 plus amount is there,
right. Mm,
all
okay.
subjects.
So yeah, so you you teach every day?
I teach you Monday to Friday, Saturday, yes, besides
Oh,
Sunday. Yeah, this is my
yeah,
working
right.
days. 6 days are working days usually in every field, and Sunday is the holiday.
Sunday is holiday, right?
So
Okay.
what do you do, sir? Please tell me about your business or your job. What do you do?
Yeah, actually, I mentioned that already. I am working person nowadays, and I work in a company. And in this company,
Okay.
I make plastic items like jug, mug, bucket. There are many plastic items I make from injection molding machine. And in this company,
Okay.
I'm operator of injection molding machine. So I know how to run machine, how to start. I know all the process of injection molding machine. So this kind of work I do in this company, and I'm working as an operator nowadays.
Okay, working as an operator. Okay, so nice to
Mm.
hear about you. And by profession, you are a job worker, right? And so, how have you been started your learning journey? Please tell me.
Yes, actually, I started learning journey since 2025, but that time I didn't consistent on improving my English and learning this language because that time I was not thinking that I should connect with YouTuber and I should talk on video call. But for 2 months I have been talking on video call with YouTuber, strangers, and so many people because nowadays I'm getting English environment, English partner, and also social media. So I thought that let's talk on video call because at that time I used to think if I talk on video call, what people they will think about me if I made mistake, you know. So that's why I didn't connect on video call. But nowadays I'm connecting different people on video call,
Okay.
and
So
while
have you
speaking,
been
if I
started your journey right now? Now you are a beginner, as I would say. You are a beginner. Okay.
yeah,
So you
you
have
can
your
say
YouTube channel or not?
yeah, I have YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Ajay Dilwala Official. But this is not my new YouTube channel. This is my old YouTube channel. And on my YouTube channel, that time I was not uploading any videos, conversation
Why?
videos,
Why
and
are
polite.
why don't you upload the videos? Tell me the reason.
Yes, because as I mentioned that I am a working person. So being a working person, I don't get time every day, you know. And in this company, I have to work 12 an hour every day.
Okay.
So that's the reason I have not been uploading videos nowadays. But if I get time and whenever I get time, I just upload videos and I enjoy with my English language.
Yes, yes. Definitely, I'll resonate with your statement that working woman or working person, it is very difficult to manage all the things, because I am also the same page as you. And I feel that if you are working 6 days and Sunday is only the day which there you are
Yeah,
relaxing, and this is the relaxing day, because I feel
yes,
very nicely this is the relaxing day. But if you eager to increase your subscribers or your friend following, so you have to do little bit hard work on Sunday also.
yeah,
If you take
yeah,
you take any kind
definitely.
of session, you just upload small videos also. If you don't go to the long videos, you should go through the small videos or short videos. Yeah, second point I would like to clear you that you said you told me that you made mistake while speaking. You make mistake
Yeah,
while speaking. So Sachin, right now your name is Sachin, na? Yeah, Sachin,
my name.
I would suggest you that if you make mistakes while speaking, it is natural. It is natural because when I started my channel, in the in the last year 2025, I started my channel in the month of, I think, October month. I fumbled a lot while speaking to my dear and near ones. But I never give up to uploading the videos, short videos, or my fumbled videos. If you visit my channel, there are so many videos are there. 200 plus videos are uploaded by me in on my channel, and there are so many small, like beginning where my beginners video that in which I fumbled a lot. But really, I would say that while practicing, if you are practice regularly, so you can get rid the fumbleness naturally. And
Yeah,
you are not afraid, you cannot you are not need to don't need to afraid, like I am fumbling, what the media, what the people is thinking. No, it is your own choice. If you are not fumbling, so now, how can you speak fluently one day? Because this is the part
yeah,
of your learning. Mistake is also is a learning journey, so why don't we afraid to do the small things on social media? Never give up.
right.
People's work now, like only like criticize to others. So
Mhm.
forget all the things and don't think so much about the people scenarios. I know, and I would like to suggest you that if you are a beginner and you afraid that I make mistake a lot, so forget it. If you make mistakes, you just clear your sentence structure, and you just
Mhm.
go through record your voice and daily regularly 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and you just upload the short video also. If you don't want to go, if you don't have the time of long videos, you just go through the short video.
Right,
I
right,
also do this kind of thing the same because I have no time for uploading my long videos or long sessions, conversation session. So I just go through the short videos regularly.
right.
So that our
Mm,
consistency is also maintained here in our channel, and there is so many things, na bad, like negative things also also produced in my channel. Like if I am not consistent on my channel, so my channel growth is in decreasing day by day. Okay, so this is
right.
the suggestions, small suggestions from my side
Yeah,
to.
nowadays this is the common things, and everyone can make mistake while speaking
Yes,
because this
yes,
is
yes.
not our native language.
Yeah, better late than never. It's better to do something late than to do it at all. Because finally, we are adult. We are all the beginners, co-learners. So we do not make fun to others that he is
Mhm.
not good a speaker. Because if you are a good speaker, so one day I will become on my strength and power and working hard. So don't afraid of.
Right. Yeah, yeah, you are right. And I also think like this because nowadays I am facing lots of problem with my friend and with my neighbor. There are four people in this room. So when I speak English with YouTuber on video call, they make fun of me that why you are speaking in English language and what will you do after learning this language? You are a working person, and being a working person you don't need to learn this language. They speak like this, but I don't
Sachin,
listen.
actually, those people who says like this, na, you are a working person, you don't need to speak this language. So those kind of people are very like na, in my eyes, they are criticized to you or your personality because learning never go waste. Learning never waste. We learns a lot, we increase a lot, we learn a lot, we earn more and more. जितना हम सीखेंगे उतना ही हम कमाएंगे, you know, जितना हमारे पास स्किल होगा, as our skills grows, our personality also grows day by day. अभी आप नीचे हो, फिर आपको धीरे धीरे वन स्टेप, टू स्टेप, थ्री स्टेप आप ऊपर आएंगे, सो योर पर्सनैलिटी ऑल्सो ग्रोज अप एंड नॉट यू शुड गो टू डाउन, यू शुड गो अप अपवर्ड. आपको ऊपर जाना है,
Right.
नीचे नहीं आना है. सो दोज पीपल हु क्रिटिसाइज दैट व्हाट डू यू डू टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज, तो you just go with your simple answer, I just go to upward, not down.
Yes.
So I
Yeah.
want to learn English. What should you? You should also encourage them to learn English without any
Yeah.
criticism. Criticism, yeah.
How much they speak about me, that much I
Yes,
also
yeah. Because
encourage day
these
by day.
kind of people are not good, na. In our, they actually their scenarios is as a negative thinking. They are thinking negatively because working person always needs learn good skills. If we do not learn good skills or communication skills, so our business or our work also affects somewhere, I would say.
Right.
यदि हम नहीं सीखते हैं
Yeah.
कुछ नया, तो हमारी बॉडी और हमारी पर्सनालिटी को डाउन हो जाए. One day our personality become down and down because our skills, we ignore our skills, na. If we care our skills, if we are very motivated person, if we are very devotee of learning, to our personality always grow upward and
Yeah.
become like a, we face a lot of milestones, but one day we can
Yeah,
die.
I know. And I know one thing very well. If you start something new in your
Yes.
society, in your state, so many people
Where you
will.
are working at this time, you speak always in Hindi, right? In a mother tongue, right? Because you afraid to make mistake, if people, what people think about me if I am talking to them, what they, if they listen me or they ignore me, like na. So you just practicing day by day. What people says, ignore them, because they
Yeah,
are
I
not,
ignore.
they don't want to see you in a next level. They only see,
Yes,
yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
know what I'm saying. They don't
This
want to
is
see
our
me
personality. This is
at the
my
next
this is
level.
my thinking. What should I do and what should not I do? What is right and what is wrong? I totally understand.
Right,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes.
Yeah, I also agree this point because many people don't think that they become something in life, you know.
Because at
So
the
that's why,
90s era, if I talk about the 90s era, English is not so essential. People take Sanskrit. Lots of people, lots of students take Sanskrit subject. English is not
Sanskrit subject.
essential at that time in 90s, if I talk.
Mm.
But
But
in
but
20s
nowadays,
era, yeah, we are living in a 20th century in the world of 20th century, and this is the digital world,
yes, ma'am.
by PM
Yeah, you are
Modi.
right.
So
Yeah,
we are all are very, very, very like na very advanced. We should be an advanced level person. Don't like na lose or like na dull type of personality. We
yeah.
have to
I don't
grow.
feel sad.
Yes, yes.
I don't feel sad. I don't feel demotivated from those people who speaks about me that why you are doing
Yes,
because
you
I know
you
very
just
well
ignore them. You
whatever
just ignore.
whatever I'm doing great. I consider
Yes,
myself.
you are doing
And
great in your personality to develop your personality development because every people wants to reach yourself as a high in a top of the level. Okay, don't want
yeah,
to as a nobody wants that demotion. Everybody wants to promotion, like in their jobs
permission.
also. If you are
Yeah,
yeah, if you are like you are practicing English, suppose your English would be fluent in a day, in a month, in a year, in a 2 or 3 years after, when you are
yeah,
applying anywhere for the job, suppose 5
right.
years, after 5 years you are watching, you are seeing yourself in a top level English, and you are working as a supervisor, as a manager. So you like now you patted your back that I am a good speaker.
Yes. Yeah, that time I will think that whatever I did that time, I did
Yeah.
good and I was good, you know. So yeah, it's happened in our society. Whenever we start something new, it happens, and I
Yes.
know very well.
And
So
those
I
people who
ignore.
are criticize you one day, they will proud to you, proud them. They will see your personality that Sachin is a very nice or very popular person. Like his English is very good and he speaks so well. So they people
Yes,
are
my
proud of you. So don't think about the
yeah.
people. They are just ignore them and go ahead in your journey, I would say.
Yeah, right. Man. Yeah, and nowadays these things I'm doing every day because I'm facing a lots of problems. So these things I'm ignoring every day. Whatever they want
Yes.
to speak
So
about me, I don't care.
how much time did do you take your speaking practice daily?
Yeah, actually today is Sunday, so today I have free time, morning to evening. So Sunday I can say that I will take like a 5 and 6 session I will take because already many people are waiting for me, and I have
Okay.
given some times
So how many
in YouTuber.
subscribers do you have?
Actually, I have 488 subscribers still. I have got, and let's see how many subscriber will I have in future. I don't know, but nowadays I'm
Consistency
doing great
matters a
work,
lot,
and
yes.
I am running YouTube channel.
So how old your YouTube channel? It's been how many years has it's been to started your channel?
I started my YouTube journey I created my YouTube channel since 2022, but that time I was uploading solo videos and my videos short videos I was uploading that time. But after coming in India, I get to know, I got to know that no, I should upload some special videos related in plastics and related in conversation videos because nowadays I'm improving my English. So I thought that I should not upload videos related in conversation and plastic because nowadays I'm doing this kind of things. So I have been uploading these types of video since over 8 months I would say. I have been uploading, but I'm not consistent on my YouTube channel.
Yes, yes, yes. Because you are a working now. Yeah, I resonate.
Yes, ma'am, because I'm working person.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's why.
There is a
But it is
difficulties
not.
now. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah, but it is not that actually. After talking many YouTuber, after talking with many YouTuber and with many people, I motivated. I motivated by them that no, I should work on my YouTube channel. Whatever I have channel, just I should work and I should upload regular videos. If I don't upload regular videos on my YouTube channel will not grow up and I will not get more subscriber in future. So I have been
Because
uploading.
YouTube wants consistency and regularity from their YouTubers, na? If YouTube algorithm suggests you that you should be regular in on your YouTube channel and different kind
Yeah,
of activities you should do.
yeah, we should be consistent on our work, whatever we
Yes.
are doing and whatever we have to do interest in our life. So we should be consistent, even any kind of work.
Okay, so I have one or two questions for you, Sachin. So, are you want to share with the with me the answers of those questions?
Yeah, okay, please ask me whatever you want to
Yes,
ask.
yes, yes. My question is that English is a piece of cake for everyone.
Yeah, actually, it is depend on the people. You know, ma'am, I can't say that English is a piece of for everyone. It is depend on the people. If they want, they can improve, they can learn. If they don't want, they can learn. Because somewhere we feel very difficult while learning this language. So I can say that it is depend on the people. Like
Depend.
you can take my example. I'm learning this language, and nowadays giving my time on this line. So if I am giving my time on this line, definitely I will learn and I will improve my English. So main thing is that consistency. If we have consistency, we
Yes.
can learn this language and any kind of language, not only about English language I'm talking. So I can say that yeah, this is very easy to learn this language. English is
Yeah,
very easy
because
to
yeah,
learn for everyone.
if you don't give up, that English is a very difficult language. So this is not
Yes,
the
ma'am.
cup of tea for you. If you think that it is very easy, dear, we will win. We will win also over this language if we practice
Yeah.
regularly.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am. Practice makes perfect. If
Practice.
we practice every day,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
will learn new
Yes.
thing day by day.
Okay, my
But
next
if we
question
don't,
is yes, only
yeah,
5 minutes are there, so we have to uh, hurriedly a little bit. So next question is
okay.
there is a small idiom I will give you, and you just represent that idiom with a small story, with a imaginary story, any story you can express with me, okay, in front of me. Like my
Stories.
idiom is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means very rarely you sometime very suddenly like na very rare you just go like become like a create a environment of imaginary story and you just tell me about this phrase once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue. Sometimes I make conversation videos. It is very once in a blue for me.
Okay, sometimes you rarely upload your videos, and
Yeah.
it's a
So
blue moon for you. Same.
yeah, once in a
In my
blue.
case also, I whenever I get time, I just would like to upload my short videos and long videos as well. So it's a blue moon for me also. Okay, next
Yeah, yeah,
question is
you are right.
do you agree that if you study hard and extremely read the books, so you just hit the books? This is the true statement. Hit the books means study hard.
Study hard. Okay. So
Hmm.
we have to make sentences in this.
Make one or two sentence on this.
make one output. Or
Yes.
hit the like a please
Hit
say
the
again.
books. Hit the books means study hard. Like for example, Reena hit the books while her exams are coming near.
Oh, uh, I held held in the exam, hit the study. Am I right?
Held in the exam, hit the study. Okay. Hit the books. Not hit the study, hit the books.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, I forgot.
No,
Okay.
no, 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 don't say sorry. This is the part of learning. Okay. So
Yes.
while your exams, while my government exam comes near, so I have to be hit the books. मुझे हार्ड वर्किंग करना पड़ा मुझे बहुत ज्यादा बुक्स पढ़ना पड़ा. Okay, next is
Oh,
under the weather. It is very popular phrase under the weather. You know meaning?
under the weather. Yeah.
Yes. Can you tell me the meaning
Yeah.
of it?
Under the weather. I'm suffering from headache.
Yeah, because I'm not feeling well. I will. I'm sick.
Yes, I'm sick. I'm suffering from headache, fever. Any else
Yes,
we can
yes,
say.
yes. Okay, next is spill the beans. Spill the beans
Sorry,
means reveal a secret.
reveal a secret. Okay. Uh, my I learned English from YouTube. My friends reveals the secret.
Hmm,
Am I
spill
right?
the beans. He spill the beans of your English. When you are practicing English, your friends, your friends reveals the spills the beans and reveal a secret about your English.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, next
Yeah.
and the last idiom of the day is in hot water. In hot water means in a trouble, in a trouble, in a major problem you are stuck in.
Yeah. Okay. In hot water.
In a hot water.
Okay. In hot water, it means I'm facing I'm facing many problem in a hot water.
Hmm. I'm pizzing. What is the meaning of pizzing?
Facing. I'm facing.
Okay, facing. Okay, you are facing like a so many troubles. So you are in a hot water nowadays because
Yeah.
those people who are not aware of English language or speaking, they are also in trouble. They are also in a hot water nowadays, and they are
Hot
facing
water. Yeah.
many trouble because he's not. He's the like for example, my friend is a hot water for coming for not understanding the English properly. So she is in a hot water nowadays. So,
Yes.
okay, so thank
Okay.
you so much. It's time to call it a day. And like from my side, I would like to say that it is a very productive session and insightful with you.
Yes.
So, thank you so much for being
Thank you
here
so much.
and
Thank you so
take out
much,
your
ma'am.
time.
I would like to say thank you so much for giving me your valuable time with me, and I am very happy after talking to you.
Okay. So thank you so much for being here. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
And I'm giving you your channel link. I'm giving you my channel link. You just visit my
Yeah.
channel. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Please send me your YouTube channel link.
Okay.
I
Okay.
will visit that.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.